How to find your wallet address on ByBit. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you guys how to easily find your wallet address on ByBit. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your ByBit is up to date. Head over to Play Store to update the app, and once it's updated you just open the app and then you just make sure that you are logged into your account. As you can see, I am already logged in right here. So from here you just want to find the deposit section. So here is this. I'm just going to tap on deposit. You will get a bunch of cryptos that you can find, but you just want to find your crypto which you want to find the wallet address. So I'm just going to find my wallet address for Bitcoin, but this is the important step. You have to choose a chain type. On ByBit you can only use the BTC chain type for Bitcoins, but if you are trying to use other cryptos, then you might see different chain types. Just make sure to choose the proper one. So I'm just going to choose BTC right now, and from here you will get the once your account is verified, you will get the wallet address and ID right here. You just saw for a split second the QR code, and you can just share it with your friends if you want. And that's how you basically get ByBit wallet address. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.